Welcome again, friends. This is Current Affairs Funda, and now today I'll teach you math section. Okay, so the basic introduction about our startup, that is Current Affairs Funda. And guys, we are delivering free education for you. Spread the word among your friends and share for those people who can't afford coaching classes. And learning is priceless, so please do at least. Okay guys, if you want any specific topic to meet by me, then please do comment on our Facebook channel, that is facebook.com/current affairs funda caf. And guys, do subscribe here also, so that we can send you the videos that we are going to upload on our channel. And guys, few requests are coming from our South Indian student that please make the video in English section. So first of all, I'm going to clear one thing more. I'll decode the video part 80% in English section and 20% in Hindi section also, because a lots of users are associated with this group that comes from some rural areas like Bihar, okay, and UP. So we are making videos for them also, and it cannot possible to make the videos for separate section, like one video upload in Hindi and second video also upload in the same version of English. So it is a very tough task for me, and I don't have financial supports from anything. Okay, you know what I mean. That's why I'm making these all efforts for you only. So do at least do subscribe, how much if you can, and spread the word among those people who can't afford the coaching classes. Thank you guys. So let's discuss our first topic for next topic, that is problem on ages. Okay, so today I'll teach you how you can solve the problem on ages. So first of all guys, I would like to give you some basic inputs, what the actually meaning of those terms in the field of ages. Okay, suppose before solving these problems, you should write down some things that I'm decoding right now. Let the present age of a person, let the present age of a person, that is P. Okay, and for the age of the person, X years hence. X year hence, it would be P plus X. Basically you have to write these few terms, what is the actual meaning of hence. In your question you will get these terms very frequently. Okay, so write down basic two terms here. Suppose a person's age, that is P, and the age of that person X years hence, it will be P plus X. Okay, and we can also say like this: after X years, after X years, it will also P plus X. Both are the same thing. And guys, one more point, for the age of the person X years ago, it will be P minus X. Okay, so basically write down the three concept here. Suppose the present age of a person, that is P, and the age of the person after X years, it will be P plus X, and X years hence, it will also P plus X. And one more point, for the age of the person X years ago, it will be P minus X. Basically these are the basic concept of a ages. And guys, first of all, I want to tell you one thing. I've covered percentage and ratio. Okay, so before watching this video, you should know about how to calculate the percentage and the ratios, and then you can easily solve all the problems. Okay, now guys, let's do and solve these problems right now. Our first problem is based on ratio, on ages. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old the father at present? Okay, this is your question. And guys, how you can approach for this such kind of questions, like your options is 45 and 48, and the next that is 40 and 49. First of all, solve yourself if you can. If you are new and you can't solve this question, then I'm solving it in your screen right now. Okay, so suppose guys, there are the basically two entities. The first one, that is father, and second one, that is son. Okay, and the father is associated with F and son is associated with S. Okay, so you have to use your pen. What question is basically saying? The present age of father is 5 times of the age of his son. So F is associated with father, so F is equal to the 5 times of S. Okay, this is your equation 1. Okay, and 5 years ago, 5 years ago means F minus 5. 5 years ago, what means? F minus 5. And suppose guys, there will be 5 years hence, so it will be F plus 5. That's why I have cleared all these terms before this question. So guys, 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times. So if the present age of the father, that is F, so 5 years ago it will be F minus 5. Okay, F minus 5, it will be equal to the 10 times the age of his son. So 10 times 10 into the age of his son, so it will also be S minus 5 because 5 years ago. So this is your equation number 2. And guys, solve both the equations 1 and 2. Basically you will get F minus 5, it will be equal to the 10s minus 50. Okay, so sorry guys, just a minute, I made a mistake here. If you'll solve these equations, then you will get a term like 5s minus 5, it will be equal to 10s minus 50. Here we go. 5s would equals to, that is 45. Solving these two sides, you will get 5s equal to 45 and s will equal to the 9. Okay, s will equal to the 9, and if you put here, it will be 9, and f equal to 5 into s, so 5 into 9, it will give you 45. So father will be 45. बेसिकली इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया है, फादर की एज को f माना, सन की एज को हमने s माना, और जैसा क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर इज 5 टाइम्स द एज ऑफ हिज सन, देन f इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू s, क्योंकि सन की एज का 5 गुना है. नेक्स्ट गाइस 5 इयर्स एगो, 5 इयर्स एगो के लिए हम लिखेंगे f माइनस 5, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 10 टाइम्स, तो 10 की मल्टीप्लाई कर देनी है इंटू सन की एज में। तो सन की एज 5 साल पहले कितनी हो जाएगी, s-5। और आप 1 और 2 को जब सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको s की वैल्यू मिलेगी 9, एंड s की वैल्यू को जब आप इक्वेशन 1 में पुट कर देंगे गाइस, सो ये आपको मिलेगा s की वैल्यू को जब आपने इक्वेशन 1 में पुट करा तो आपको यहाँ से फादर की वैल्यू को 45 मिल गया। ओके, दैट्स आवर पॉइंट हियर। एंड गाइस नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर अनदर प्रॉब्लम। She. Question number 2. Question number 2 is saying like father's age is 35 year more than the son's age 4 year. Hence, father's age will become 1 less than thrice the son's age. What is the father's present age? Okay, so this is our question right now. Solve in the previous way that I have told you. Father and the son, father is associated with f and son is associated with small s. Okay, so in the first term, like father's age is 35 more than the son's age. One thing guys, can you do a very small amendment here? Do it 25 year more than. Okay, actually I have given a small answer may be vary, so put 25 here. Father's age is 25 year more than the son's age 4 year. Hence father's age will become 1 less than thrice the son's age. What is the father's present age? Suppose the father's age that is f, son's age that is s, and so f is equal to the s plus 25. That is your first equation. And the 4 year hence, 4 year hence, that means f plus 4. 4 year hence, the father's age will become 1 less than thrice the son. So first of all you have to thrice the son. It will be 3 into and thrice the son s plus 4, and 1 less than this will be here. So this is your second equation. Okay, solve first and second. So it will give you basically s plus 25 plus 4 is equals to 3s plus 12 minus 1, and it will be equal to the s plus 29 equal to the 3s plus 11, and 2s will equals to 18, and s will be equal to the 9. Okay, so you have find the value of s, and the son age will be 9, and the father age will put one equation implies here. It will give you the age of father age will be 9 plus 25, it will be 34. That is the age of your father. Okay, सी गाइज, इसमें हमने बेसिकली क्या किया है कि फादर की एज को हमने f माना है, सन की एज को हमने s माना है, और पहली क्वेश्चन में हमें कहा गया है कि फादर्स एज इज 25 ईयर मोर देन द सन्स एज, 25 साल ज़्यादा है सन की एज से। तो हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी, f इक्वल टू s प्लस 25 एंड 4 ईयर हैंस। 4 ईयर हैंस का मतलब होता है f प्लस 4। तो ये जो है फादर की एज जो है वो 1 कम हो जाएगी 3 गुना सन की एज के। तो 3 गुना करने के लिए s प्लस 4 हमने s प्लस 4 इसलिए लिखा है कि 4 ईयर हैंस के लिए s प्लस 4 लिखेंगे। इसका 3 गुना करा 3 टाइम्स हुआ, एंड -1 ये हमने इक्वेशन में दिया हुआ है कि बिकम्स 1 लेस देन, तो ये हमारी फादर की एज हो जाएगी। गाइस कीप द कलर, ओके फाइन। सो बेसिकली क्या होगा इसमें कि 1 और 2 को जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें ये मिलेगा, और इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें s की वैल्यू 9 मिलेगी, और जब हमें सन की वैल्यू मिल चुकी है 9, देन हम क्या करेंगे, पुट कर देंगे फादर की एज में, और ये हमें बेसिकली मिल जाएगा. ओके, यहाँ से फादर की एज में मिल जाएगी. सो नाउ गाइज लेट्स मूव फॉर सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. थर्ड प्रॉब्लम दैट इज हियर. सी, Ranjan's and Anurag's age are in the ratio that is 4:5. 4 year hence their ages ratio will become 5:6. What's the Anurag's present age? Okay, so I think this is a very easy problem for you. You can solve yourself also, but basically I'm giving you another type, that is type 2 here. Okay, see, Ranjan's there are basically two person. First one that is Ranjan and the second that is Anurag here. Okay, so R will denote as a Anurag and A will denote as a Anurag. Okay, Ranjan and Anurag. R denote as a Ranjan and A denote as a Anurag. The ratio of R and A is given, that is 4:5. The ratio of R is given like 4:5. Okay, so R divided by A, it will be 4:5. 4 year hence their ages will become 5:6. 4 year hence. 4 year hence, guys, see one thing more here. R is to A, that is 4:5 after 4 years. After 4 years the ratio would equals to 5:6. This is your whole question here. So let's assume that is 4x and that is 5x. Okay, so after 4 year hence, 4 year hence means 4x plus 4 and 5x plus 4. It denotes like 4 year hence. It will be equal to the 5:6. Solve the value of x and you will get the value of x. It will be 4. Solve, do it for yourself. And if you put 4 into what is the Anurag's age? So Anurag age is 5x. So 5x is equal to the 5 into 4. It will be 20. That is your answer right now. बेसिकली गाइस इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है कि हमें रंजन और अनुराग की एज का रेशियो दिया हुआ है, ये 4:5 है. और हमने क्या किया है बेसिकली इसमें कि 4 और 5 रेशियो को हमने 4x और 5x मान लिया है. उसके बाद में 4 साल के बाद में इनकी एज का रेशियो जो है वो 5 और 6 के अनुपात में हो जाएगा. तो हमें बेसिकली करना है कि 4 ईयर्स हैंस. 4 ईयर हैंस का मतलब मैं आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ, ये होता है उसमें आपको +4 का ऐड कर देना है, ऑगमेंटेशन कर देना है. 4x + 4 डिवाइड बाई 5x + 4 इट विल बी इक्वल टू द 5:6. यहाँ से हमने x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद. x की वैल्यू को 4 मिला है हमें. तो अनुराग की एज पूछी जाती है तो हम कह सकते हैं 5 × 4. रंजन की एज पूछी जा सकती है तो हम कहते हैं 4 × 4 दैट इज 16. सो अनुराग की प्रेजेंट एज पूछी गई है तो यहाँ पर हमारा आंसर होगा 5 × 4 दैट इज 20. नाउ गाइस लेट्स मूव फॉर अनदर प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4. See, in the problem number 4, our question is the present ages of Amit and his father are in the ratio that is 2:5 respectively. 4 year hence the ratio of their ages will become 5:11. What was the age of 5 years ago? Father's age 5 years ago. Basically you have to calculate the age of father 5 years ago. Okay, there are basically two entities. The first one that is Amit, the second one that is his father. Now put Amit and his father. So the ratio of their ages are in the ratio that is 2:5. Okay, so suppose that is 2x and that is 5x. 4 year hence, 4 year hence means 2x plus 4 and 5x plus 4 also. 4 year hence the ratio of their ages will become 5:11. It will be 5:11 and cross multiply and you will get the value of x, it will be 8. Okay, after solving this equation you will get the value of x, that is 8, and put 8 here, so 8 into 5 it will be 40, and put 8 into 2 it will be 16 here. So Amit's is right now that is 16 and the father's is right now that is 40. But guys, question is asking in different way. What was the father's is 5 years ago? So father is 5 years ago. 5 year ago will be 40 minus 5, it will be 35. That is your answer right now. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. See guys, यहाँ पर हमें अमित और फादर की एज बेसिकली दिया हुआ है 2:5 में, तो यहाँ हमने 2x लिया, यहाँ हमने 5x लिया। यहाँ पर कहा गया कि 4 ईयर हैंस, 4 साल के बाद, दैट मीन्स 2x + 4 डिवाइड बाई 5x + 4, ये हमारा रेशियो था, इसमें हमने 4 का इंक्रीमेंट किया क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है। वो हमारा हो जाता है 5:11 का रेशियो। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, x की वैल्यू को निकाला और 8 आया तो हमने यहाँ पुट कर दिया। 5x था तो 5 × 8 दैट इज़ 40, 2x था 2 × 8 दैट इज़ 16। यहाँ बेसिकली पूछा गया है कि 5 साल पहले आपको फादर की एज बतानी है, तो प्रेजेंट एज हमारी कितनी आई है 40, तो 40 में से 5 डिडक्ट करेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 35, दैट इज़ योर आंसर राइट नाउ। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड गाइस। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर अनदर प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज़ प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5. Problem number 5. And see guys, the ages of Sabina and Suhana are in the ratio that is 7:3. After 6 years the ratio of their ages will be 5:3. What is the difference in their ages? That is your basically question. That is another type, that is T3. Okay, so how you can approach for such kind of problems? See here, the first lady that is Samina, and the second that is Shuhana. Sabina and Suhana, that is Sabina, and the ratio of Sabina and Suhana that is 7:3. See, let assume that is 7x and 3x. After 6 years, so before previous, same as previous, 7x plus 6 divided by 3x plus 6, it will be equal to the 5:3. So cross multiply and you will get the value of x, that is 2. Put the value of x here, so it will be 3 × 2 that is 6, and 7 × 2 that is 14. 14 and 6 are the percentages of Shuhana and Sabina, and the question is asking what is the difference between their ages. So 14, one value we got that is 14, and the second that is 6. So the difference between 14 and 6 that is 8 years. So this is your answer. बेसिकली इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया है, सबीना और सुहाना की हमें एजेस का रेशियो दिया हुआ है 7:3, इसको 7x मान लिया, इसको 3x मान लिया। 6 साल के बाद उनकी एजेस का रेशियो जो है वो 5:3 हो जाता है, तो 6 साल के बाद 7x + 6 डिवाइड बाई 3x + 6, इट विल बी इक्वल टू द 5:3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो यहाँ से हमें x की वैल्यू 2 मिलती है, और 2 को जब हमने यहाँ पुट कर दिया इस इक्वेशन में 7:3 रेशियो में, तो ये 3x था, तो 3 × 2 दैट इज़ 6, एंड 7:2 दैट इज़ 14. अब हमें डिफरेंस निकालना है, 14 और 6 के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना होता है, 8 होता है। यही हमारा क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन था। नाउ गाइस लेट्स मूव फॉर अनदर प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6 में हमें क्या करना है, आफ्टर 5 years द एवरेज एज ऑफ अ डॉटर and her mother will become 29.5 years. That is another type, that is T4. If today the ratio of their ages is 2:5, what is the present age of daughter? This is your question right now guys. There are basically two entities, the first one that is daughter and second that is mother. So you have to apply all the operations on basically two entities. See the solutions right now. Daughter and mother. See, the ratio of daughter is to mother, that is 2:5. The ratio is given here, 2:5. And what is the present age of daughter? Okay, see first line, after 5 years the average age of daughter. After 5 years the average age of a daughter and her mother. So suppose the present age of daughter, that is D, and the mother, that is M. Okay, so after 5 years it will be D plus 5, and the age of mother, that is M plus 5, and their average divided by 2, it will be equal to the 29.5. So guys, cross multiply, and you will get D plus M, it will be equal to the 59 minus 10. D plus M, daughter plus mother, will equal to the 49. Okay, you will get a relation from here. This is your equation number 1. And see, daughter and mother are in ratio 2:5. It will be 2x and it will be 5x. Add all these values, 5x plus 2x, that is 7x. Okay, so 7x will equal to 49. Put in daughter and mother. This is the part of daughter and this is the part of mother. So 7x equal to 49, x will be 7, and the present age of daughter, that is 2x. So 2x will equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. Your answer right now. So this is another type of the problem, and the answer right now, that is 14. See guys, one thing more. बेसिकली हमने इस क्वेश्चन में क्या किया है, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि आफ्टर 5 years द एवरेज एज ऑफ डॉटर एंड मदर बिकम 29.5 years. डॉटर और मदर की एज 5 साल के बाद में जो उनकी एवरेज एज है, यहाँ पर एवरेज एज दिया हुआ है हमें, एवरेज एज कितनी हो जाएगी 29.5. बेसिकली हमें क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, डॉटर और मदर का रेशियो जो दिया हुआ है 2:5 का दिया हुआ है, और आपको मानना है डॉटर की प्रेजेंट एज है D और मदर की प्रेजेंट एज है, दैट इज M. So after 5 years D plus 5 plus M plus 5, इसका एवरेज डिवाइड बाई 2, ये एवरेज हो गया. ये किसके बराबर हो जाएगा 29.5 के. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, D प्लस M की वैल्यू आएगी 59 माइनस 10. D प्लस M आपको निकल के आया 49. डॉटर और मदर का जो एडिशन आया है वो हमारा 49 आया है. इनका रेशियो दिया हुआ 2x और 5x. आपको मैंने रेशियो में सिखाया था कि जब कोई दो रेशियो दिए होते हैं तो ये दोनों भी D प्लस M के इक्वल होंगे. तो D की वैल्यू 2x, M की वैल्यू 5x है. देन 2x प्लस 5x इट विल इक्वल टू 49, दैट इज 7x इक्वल टू 49. और यहाँ पर हम x की वैल्यू को निकालेंगे. ये हमारा कितना आएगा, 7 आएगा. और 2x बराबर कितना हो जाएगा, 2 इंटू 7, ये 14 हो गया. तो हमें क्वेश्चन में बेसिकली पूछा गया था प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ डॉटर. डॉटर की प्रेजेंट एज हमने 14 निकाल दी. अगर पूछा था मदर की प्रेजेंट एज कितनी है, ये है 5x. तो 5x इंटू एक्स की वैल्यू कितनी आई है 7. 5 इंटू 7, दैट इज 35 ईयर्स. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you have still any query regarding anything, guys, put in my comment box, and still you have any problem, do comment here. And guys, it's my humble request to you, do subscribe this channel, because learning is priceless, and those who can't afford the coaching classes, they can be directly benefit from this channel. So do share as much as you can. Okay, and guys, comment on our Facebook page if you have any query regarding anything, and if you want any specific video, so you can put it on Facebook also. I'll definitely make that video whenever I get the time. And I'm covering all the quant section as well as computer section first, and after that, guys, I'll cover the reasoning section in basically 15 videos only. I'll take approx 15 days, and I'll cover all the things before the railway and LIC AO exam as much as I can. And guys, one thing more, those preparing for the SSC exams, they will be get a huge collection from our channel, that is Current Affairs Funda, and you will get the science videos as well as polity videos very soon. We are working on it right now, and we are collecting contents, and we are resolving for you only. So guys, do subscribe, spread this word as much as you can, and still you have any query, do comment. Thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.